Hi everyone, we arrived here at Disney World. We are ready for our adventures and we are going to check in into Disney All-Star Music Hotel, and we're going to show you our room and we're going to show you the grounds. They have this nice area here with a small little arcade and a TV. While you check in, you could have your kiddo away in this side. Now there's a $15 per night parking fee in this hotel, and this hotel runs from $120 a night up to $300 a night. It depends the weekday, weekend, or season, and it also depends the room you book. This is our room. As we come in, you can see to the right that we have a mini fridge. We have a coffee machine. We have some cup. You can see we have some half and half, Joffrey's coffee, tea, sugar. We have ice bucket and space, or you could call it storage, to put your items. We also have an AC. This is the window curtain. Look how nice. Towards the right, we have a table that we could use to eat, but this also becomes a Murphy bed, a queen size Murphy bed. We have a side table. We have charger, USB, as you see. Then we have another queen size bed. More chargers, and there goes Minnie, Mickey, and Donald Duck. How cute. Then towards your right, you can see we have a dresser with enough storage. We also have a safe. We have this nice wall TV. We have this lamp. We have this trash and recycle. Very nice. The room is spacious. You have this space here to put or hang your sweaters or anything you have to hang. Look at the floor, nice tiles. You got space here to store your clothes. You have some hangers. We have an iron board. And we have a hair dryer. We have everything we need. We have towels, toilet paper, another trash can down there. And look at the mirror. It's a light up mirror. And towards the right, you can see we have a makeup mirror. Towards the left is the bathroom. We have glass door in the shower. We have more towels. There's your commode. More towels. And here we have the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Look how nice. This shower is very, very clean. So I like the room. It's spacious for 2 people. Even for 4. This is how you pull the Murphy bed. You pull it down slowly, and there you go. There's your Murphy bed. Then you put your pillows, and you're ready to use your bed. Once you bring the Murphy bed down, it takes a whole lot of space. You can see right there. But that's fine. It doesn't take away of the room because the room is very nice and very clean. So this hotel has 6 different theme buildings, and we are going to start with the Country Fair. This is where we are staying. This is building number 6, and it's beautiful. Look at the large cowboy boots. They have one in each side, and what I like about this building is that they have They built it like a farm. Can you see it? Look how nice. It is so cute. And they also have picnic tables, which you could use. And you could have breakfast and lunch there if you like. Look how nice. I love it. Now, every building here is 3-story, but they provide elevators. Now, this is the Broadway building. Look at the top hat and cane. This makes you want to tap dance. Look at this. This is amazing. Now check this out. Up in the marquee, there's Aladdin, the Lion King. This looks like New York City, doesn't it? I love this. This is so cute. And then they have the Mary Poppins up there. The Frozen Broadway musical worth melting for. A stay here in the Broadway section will make you feel like you are in New York City. This is definitely a great section to stay. This is the Melody Building, featuring this large size jukebox and large guitars. Look how nice. The colors are beautiful, pastel colors. This is awesome. This is the piano pool. As you enter, look at the floor. Look, so nice with the melody signs. They have lots of lounge chairs with umbrellas situated around. They have a tennis table over there. And look at the pool. So cute. It's a little smaller than the main pool, but it's okay. It's a quieter pool. And they also have tables with umbrellas situated around. Look at the piano cords on the floor. And by the piano pool area, you can see here Ariel. Look how nice. This is the Jazz Inn section building. The buildings are adorned with the saxophones and the clarinets. Look how nice. There's also a water fountain. The building is also adorned with the silhouette of the musician. Tip for you guys, if you want quiet room close to food court and close to the bus stop, then choose the Jazz Inn. This is the Calypso building. It's decorated with the large maracas. Look how nice. I like the colors, so vibrant. And look how nice this colorful xylophone bridge. So pretty. Look how cute. Look at the monkeys. Look at the parrots. This building is awesome. I like the colorful xylophone bridge. Very nice. And right there you're gonna have your pool. It also has this conga drum stairwells. You can see the stairs inside there. They have outdoor table with umbrellas situated around, so you could get your lunch or breakfast or dinner and eat outside with your family. And this is Singing Spirit. You could get refreshments here. This is open from noon to 1 a.m. in the morning. You can see their drinks here and the prices, as you see right there. They also have this beautiful chairs with umbrella. This is new. This wasn't here the last time I was here. I like the color. You can relax here with your family. Comfy chairs. They have these great games out here around the pool area. Not only checkers, but they also have chess for you to play with your kiddos, your family. And they also have this fire pit out here. On select nights, you could sit down here with your family and have some s'mores. And this is the August recreation activity calendar right here with times and activities, so you could plan ahead accordingly. And here is the main pool. It's shaped like a guitar. It features the three caballeros, which is Daru Dogs, Panchito, and Jose. They squirting water out. That's a beautiful water fountain. It has plenty of lounge chairs situated around. There's table with umbrellas. They also have this pool table to play. This is the kids' little pool. Isn't that cute? All right, so let's look at the main pool from this angle to see if we could get the guitar shape. So it starts from there and then it winds up. Look how nice. Very interesting, this pool. You see? It winds up like a guitar. Look at the shape. They provide you with pool towels. And they also provide you with life vests. They have this emergency defibrillator, the AED. All you have to do is open the cabinet door and the alarm will sound. Just so you know, in case you have an emergency here in the outdoor pool. And they also have the restroom out here. That's the woman. This is the man. They also have guest laundry room. They are $3 and they accept credit or debit. They also have a playground for your children ages 5 to 12 years old. Look at the playground right here. This is Maestro Mickey's gift shop store. You could buy your souvenirs in here, or if you forgot something, you could just come in here and get it. They have beautiful, beautiful merchandise. And this is the arcade situated here in the hotel. Look how nice. They have different games. And you will never get bored here. It's large. It's big in here. This is the intermission food court. This is the menu for lunch and dinner. And these are the treats they have. Oh my goodness, that 50th anniversary dessert looks so delicious. I'm gonna see if I buy it and try it. They also have a QR code and you could just mobile order and you get your order quicker. There is no microwave in the room, but you definitely have a microwave if you need it here at the food court. And there's not only one, but there's 2 microwaves. This is where you will get your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Oh my goodness, look at all those yumminess, all those desserts. They look so appetizing. Here are all your beverage. Your kiddo could get chocolate milk. They also have ham and cheese sandwich, turkey cheese sandwiches. They have fruit cups. They sell water. The Dasani water is $3.50 and the small water is $5.50. And all the beverage you like. They have cereal. And remember, you could get your refillable mug here for $19.99. And you could refill your mug with any beverage you like for the rest of your stay in the hotel. Here are the prices for the different breakfasts you could get here for you and for your children. And this is where you get your beverage when you get your refillable mugs. They have Coke, Sprite, they have Fanta, they have Powerade, they have vitamin water, my favorite. This is where you wash your refillable mug. They also have coffee, tea. They have lots of space here, lots of sitting space. The decoration is beautiful with all the cartoon. One of the things that I like from the All-Star Music Hotel here in Disney is that you can enjoy the pool in the night, and also they have movies under the star. You can watch movie while you also enjoying the pool. Isn't that nice? Very interesting. Tonight we are watching Wreck Around. They have ice machine in every floor near the elevator, and they also have vending machine, and they also take credit card. Here the cards they take: MasterCard, Visa, Discover, American Express, and they also accept cash, just so you know. And this is the Osa Music Hotel sign outside your hotel, where the Disney buses will pick you up to take you to your designated Disney park and bring you back. I will stay here at the Disney Osa Music Value Hotel. Was incredible. It was good. We had all the amenities we needed. Our room was clean. The staff was great. Check-in here is at 3 p.m. and checkout is at 11 a.m. You get bus transportation from and to your hotel to the parks, and that is definitely a great perk by staying here at the hotel. They have lots of activity here at the resort, especially for the family, for the kiddos, and those activities by the pool, they are so cool. So make sure you spend a day or two at your resort when you come to visit Walt Disney World. The hot water and the water pressure here was amazing. So if you like this video and you found some value in it, hit that subscribe button and be part of our adventure. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube notify you when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching.